While the book has dropped down for Trump. What stop is one. Why the stability of the current race promise more volatility ahead. So, round state analysis by round state update GMT HKT September 50 current dramatic presidential candidate and former Vice President Joe Biden speaks about climate change by Wi-Fi's affecting Western states Monday. Set 14 in Wilmington, Biden describes the four historic crimes in the U.S. is facing Trump support. Explain why they won't wear the mask, why they don't wear mask. U.S. President Donald Trump speaks during the campaign rally in the Winston-Salem, North Carolina, U.S. on Tuesday. Except Trump has discovered spending as much as 100 millions on his money on his re-election campaign if necessary to beat Democratic nominee Joe Biden, according to people familiar with the matter. Photographer Logan Sacker. Plumber your Getty Image. Trump. Nothing more could have been done on the COVID-19. 19. Cohen. Reflection on Trump's comments to her when she was a teenager. No virus type. Top braces or neighbors, you're not answering the question. You're not answer the question. Supporters cheer. As President Donald Trump arrives for indoor campaign rally at Sham Manufacturing in the Henderson suburb of Las Vegas, and Nevada, on September 15, 2020. Branded 2020. Brandon Sumner, AFB Getty Image. Dr. Trump rally shows the regard for human life. LA law. Major clapback after Trump claiming on the watch cause fires. He voted for Trump in the 2016. See why he's questioning it now. Now play. Trump's historic, unpopularity may not be a deal breaker in the 2020. U.S. President Donald Trump participated in the signing ceremony and meeting with the President of Serbia, Alexander Vučić, and Prime Minister of Kosovo, Abdullah Hoti in the Oval Office of the White House on the September 4, 2012 in the Washington D.C. Trump to what I played after someone sliced it. Susan Pompeo asked the Department for help sending personal cards. Democratic presidential nominee Biden speaks during a campaign event September 4 to September 4, 2020 in Wilmington, Delaware. Biden spoke on the economic that has been worsened was sent by the by the COVID CO COVID 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 19 pandemic. Photo by Alec Wong, Getty Image. President candidates continue to fight for Latino Latino vote. Latino vote. Trump, California trips fire climate translated VPX.GPG watch official challenges Trump to on climate crisis. David Leggett taught PKATS climate science designer appointed to top position lower. President Donald Trump his elections as California Governor Gavin Newsom speak during a briefing at the Sacramento McClellan Airport in the McClellan Park, Monday, September 14, 12 and 12 on the western wildfires. Trump echoes climate change science. Democratic presidents candidate former Vice President Joe Biden speaks about climate change and wildfires affecting Western state. Monday fourth 12 and 12 in Wilmington, Dow. Biden described for the fourth historic rise. The U.S. is facing. The U.S. is facing. Trump supporters explain why they won't wear masks. U.S. President Donald Trump speaks during a campaign rally with the Winston-Salem, North Carolina, U.S. on Tuesday, September 8, 12 and 12. Trump has discussed spending as much as 100 million is our money on his re-election campaign if necessary to beat Democrats. Some of the kind reflections Trump comment to her when she was a teenager. Level tape presses never. You're not seeing the question. No, you're not answering the question. Supporters cheer